Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown for the time period of 12th February to 16th February. If this is your first time, my name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can be able to come subscribe for a package and learn how to make money in this various industry. So I would like to make this a quick one. I'm sorry that we didn't start as planned by 10 a.m. So I will share my screen right now. How this goes is that I will break down the technical aspects of the chart. After I break down the technical aspects of the chart, I'll go over to the fundamental aspect of the chart. Okay. So currently we are looking at the DXY, which has to do with the strength of the dollar, and I just have few pairs to list to mention today: DXY, Euro USD, Gold USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, and Bitcoin. Okay, so I will try as much as possible to break down in details. So from DXY, I see that we have a massive what a support level here. Okay, and we have this resistance, or let's say supply level over here. The market broke that supply level and turned it into demand. The market broke the supply level and turned it into demand. And after the market broke that supply level and turned it into demand over here, the market pushed up massively. But there's small liquidity the market has not grabbed over here. Okay, I'll be showing you that. I'll be showing you there's a lot of orders that the market has not grabbed over here. So I expect DXY to be strong, to go up, grab that liquidity before it falls. And there is high chances that before DXY will grab that liquidity, it will take out this high. It will take out this high over here before it grabs that liquidity. Okay, it could take out that high before it grabs that liquidity and then drops. But based on what I can see currently, the market went over here on DXY over here, took some trades here and dropped. So after it dropped, it broke below this candle over here. It broke below this low. This was the lowest point before. It broke below it, and now it's returning back. So it will grab liquidity. We have two scenarios. It will grab liquidity with the help of this supply zone. I can see a supply candle over here before it drops, or it will go up. Okay, grab liquidity above here, stop counting some individuals before it drops. Okay, so that's what I see for DXY. So if DXY is going up, we're expecting Euro USD to be going down. Okay, because it is inverted. Okay, and it is 80% correlated. If you have any questions, please drop it on the comment section. I'll do due diligence to go through your questions. Okay, and I'm trying as much as possible to break this down for you in a GP. So one thing I see about Euro USD is that Euro USD never came back to this particular zone. Okay, the market moved up from this point, came back to a particular level here, and started pushing up. It had a change of character over here as well, and the supply level was never taken. The market came back down, but it never took this supply level. So I see that the market would come to take this supply level or another supply level within this huge red candle, because this particular red candle helped the market to break above this previous high. Okay, this red candle, this huge one to the downside, that I anticipated to take this particular uh, demand level. I mean, this particular demand level, because demand is support and supply is the resistance. So this demand level, the market never took it. That supply had not been filled yet, and the market started pushing up. After it pushed up, it came back down again and then broke this previous high. So the market has two options: either taking demand level from this last red candle I see over here, or coming to take demand from this particular red candle over here, or coming to take demand from this actual this particular demand level. So we have three possible places where Euro USD might get before it starts pushing to the upside. But overall bias is that when Euro USD comes back down to either this demand level this demand level or this demand level. I'm going down to a lower time frame to spot the accurate demand level so that we can be able to take our buys when it gets to this particular psychological level. Okay, then we can now anticipate what the sells. So why for gold? Gold. Last week there was a lot of manipulation of gold. Personally, I saw a lot of manipulation on my charts on gold. I placed the pending order over here, which is a demand level. I waited for 1, 2, 3 days. When the market came back to my demand level, the broker never filled my order because this particular red candle spiked down, got into the demand level where I placed my pending order. The broker never filled my order. It never activated my trade. And after that, it came back to the upside. Came back to that same demand level again. The broker didn't fill the order. And now the market is what? Within that zone again. So I anticipate gold to have a ranging structure. But this time around, it's going to fill this demand level accurately and fully. Then before we start ranging, that's what I say. I see a range. But when goes through this order, we're going to have a push to the upside before any other direction, probably going lower or higher. Then the next on the list, let's check sentiment. Okay, we checked Euro USD, and for Euro USD we have sentiment. They say 62% is short, 38% is long. That's why I'm seeing a lot of sell pressure. Then let's check XAU USD. XAU USD. On XAU USD we have 48% is short and 52% is long. But current XAU USD is on a demand level. Okay, so if it fills my order, I'm quite comfortable going with the long positions. Okay, on XA USD. Why for Euro USD? Based on the level where it is right now, yes, I think shorts are quite reasonable. Then for AUD USD, we see market came back into this demand level. Market came back into this demand level, never filled that demand. Okay, it never filled it and started pushing to the upside. Okay, that's what I see for AED USD. So it never took this high. AED USD never took this high. Okay, so since it never took this high, I anticipate AED USD to come back into this particular demand level. There's a demand level here where I see market coming back into. When it comes back into the demand level, I can anticipate more push to the upside before the massive drop on AED USD to round up the week. Okay, so this is the accurate demand level I'm anticipating AED to come back into. There is a red candle over there, which was the last red candle before this market pushed to the upside. Then when it fulfills that order and goes to the upside, then we'll now be anticipating what the next downward push. The next is GBP USD. GBP USD has similar structure with Euro USD. Demands were not filled. Demands were not filled. Last week, a lot of demands were not filled. Market will get to a demand. Instead of filling demand, it should just get to it by almost a peak before it fills it and then in reverse. Over here, we had Euro GPUSD dropped to the downside, okay, and this particular demand level was not filled, okay. The same with Euro USD. So I'm still having some pending orders over here. But currently on GPUSD, I see it is inside a demand level that has turned into a supply level. Okay, for me now, I can see more drop then before they push the upside on GPUSD. And if it comes to this demand level, I'll be more satisfied. Let's see what sentiment is saying about AED USD and GPUSD. For AED USD, sentiment is saying AED USD sentiment. Where is sentiment for AED USD? Okay. AED USD. Okay, for sentiment on AED USD, you see that longs are 58% and shorts are 42%. Okay. Then for GPUSD we have shorts 66% and longs are 34%, which is good. Then let's check the last pair on the list, which is BTC USDT. BTC USDT. So for BTC USDT, I see a corrective structure, a deeper corrective structure, okay, to this level, this red candle over here. Then we have one more push up to the upside to $50,000. That's my target. But there will be a corrective structure probably to 45,000. Then we have a push up to the $50,000 mark. So with that said, for the fundamentals, we have no fundamentals for today. High impact news fundamentals for today, Monday. So I'll be much interested to trade tomorrow, Tuesday. London session, we have unemployment rate for GBP. We have employment changes for GBP. If unemployment rate is lower than expected, GBP will be strong. But if it is higher than expected, GBP will be weak. Then we have Swiss franc. We didn't analyze Swiss franc. Then we have Euro, ZEW Economic Sentiment Index. Okay, Economic Sentiment Index. What they think about the economy, the future. Businesses think about the economy, the future of the economy. Is it optimistic or pessimistic? If this figure is higher than expected, it's good for Euro. Then during New York session, we have core inflation rate, we have CPI for dollar. If this figure is higher than expected, it's good for the dollar, and that's what we're focusing on, just the CPI. Every other one is a derivative of the CPI. Then on Wednesday, we have inflation rate year over year for Great Britain pound. If the figure is higher than this, it is good for the Great Britain pound. Then we have ECB speaking London session. ECB is speaking, and then we'll have some data coming in later in the day. And employment changes year over year and employment changes quarter over quarter. Then on Thursday, we have the Japanese yen gross domestic product. That's in Asian session. I'm more interested for London session. And also we have unemployment rate for Australian dollar Asian session. Then on London session we have GBP growth rate, which has to do with GDP as well. If this figure is higher than expected, it's good for the GBP. Okay. Then we have good trades balance, which has to do with non-EU, which has to do with GBP as well. Total imports minus total exports. If the import is higher than the export, it's bad for the currency. But if the export is higher than the import, it's good for the currency and the capital account for GBP. Then we have consumer confidence for Swiss franc. London session we have CPI for Spain, Euro to be precise. If the figure is higher than this, it is good for the Euro. Then on Thursday we have jobless claims. If there is higher figure of jobless claims, it's bad for the economy of United States dollar. So watching out for that as well. Then to end the week on Friday, we have retail sales year over year, retail sales month over month for Great Britain pound, which is by 8 o'clock uh, on Friday. Then to wrap up the week, we have building permits starts doing real estate in the United States dollar. The most important news we're watching out for mainly is the inflation rate, the 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 unemployment rate, okay, inflation rate, unemployment rate, and this has high impact news, and this impact this particular news event can move the market by 15 to 20 pips within the first 5 to 10 minutes of its announcement. Okay, so be watching out for it. So, with that said, if you want to learn more about how to become a profitable and independent trader, you can go to the link is on going to be on the description on the description of this YouTube video. Once you click that link, it's going to take you to our seller store. On the seller store, you need to pick a package. We have a 1 month package, we have a 3 months package, we have a 6 months package, and we have a 1 year package. So the 3 month package, you get 5% discount. Wait, let me okay. On the 3 months package, you get 5% discount over here. While on the 6 month package, you get 10% discount. The 1 year package, you get 20% discount. So you need to pick a package first, and they have different prices. Okay. Then you make payments, select your payment method, either bank transfer, your debit card, your cryptocurrency. Then you pay. You gain access to. If you paid for the 3 months package, you get access to 3 months intensive online bootcamp where you'll be getting your training on our website. Okay, we have our website www.digitalling.com. After you've paid and confirmed your payment, then we will register you on the website. Then we have a guest trainer coming in from London who's going to take you on the training. Also, we are inviting one other guest from New York who's going to take you for the training. These guests are professional traders, so this worth about $460. Then we have some software files we send to you which you use to do your trading, okay? And this is going to enable you to become profitable traders. This is worth $65. These softwares will be installed for you in your devices and you can be able to use them. Then we send you VIP signals as you're learning, you can in as well. We can place a value on this, okay? So that when you buy, it depends on the capital you're using to trade. If you trade with the higher capital, is good. If you trade with lower capital, you get lower returns, okay? Then we have a free membership into the Forex VIP group. Okay, you'll be part of our VIP group. You interact with traders, you communicate with traders. Then you have one-on-one session with me. Wherever you're finding difficulty, you reach out to me. We'll discuss, and I'll break down the different steps that you're finding difficult and break it down as easy as possible. Then you have the our book, whereby this is a textbook whereby you can maybe study any concept about forex trading, and it was written by us, the 10 digital lane, and I'm the one that the author that really wrote the book. So it's called Mastery, a guide to trading success, which is going to give you some insights, tips, and tricks I've been using in the market to become profitable. Then when you're done with the classes and you're done with the mentorship, you have to pass through exam. Once you pass this exam, you're given a certificate. This certificate shows that yes, you've passed through our rigorous processes and you've been able to apply proper risk management and become a good trader. If you go for a 3 months package, you'll be entitled to a $5,000 account, courtesy of a prop firm we're partnered with. And this $5,000 account can be an empowerment for you to start your trading career, unlike when I started 7 years ago. My passion is leadership and financial freedom. What makes me happy is seeing a transformation in the lives of the people in the world when they become less bothered about money and live the life that they love. So please reach out to me. If you just want to subscribe for only the Signal services, you can as well go to our store and you can subscribe to only the Signal service. I'll leave the link on the description. The website is seller.co/m/click to cart. Then you subscribe to get this a free book on real estate, because we told you that we're a digital platform that teach you about real estate, forex trading, and also crypto trading and AI technology. You can get our free book on forex as well that breaks down for you one of our insights on how you can use signals to make money. Then these are our textbook. You can get just the signal services for a month, and then you can get our textbook over here. Okay. So thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Okay. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment, share this content with your friends and family, and have a profitable trading week. Peace.